Okay, so this thing here splits off, so we have the different amps to use our police lights. We'll plug it in down here, and then we have one police light up here. We'll have another one underneath this sun visor, and another one's gonna go up on top. So we'll have our 3 police lights, and our police magnet will go on our door outside. And that's plugged in. Here's our 3 prongs. And then we're gonna take and up here, connect the police light, and then off on this one, we'll connect another police light, and here we go. These are our police lights to mount underneath. And they just plug in. There they are. Suction cup here, which will go on the top here to help stick our fake little light. Mounted our top light. We have our 2 other lights